In this video, I'm going to talk about QuickBooks Online. Which plans should you subscribe to in 2022? They currently have four plans in the US: Simple Start, Essentials, Plus, and Top Line Advanced. So that's the focus of this video. So let's see. Uh, so this is our website, and I'm gonna go to this test drive page. This is our affiliated link, and in here you will see different plans in here. I'm just gonna click this one here. Okay, so on this one they only show three: Simple Start, Plus, and Advanced. They're not showing Essentials. Not sure why, but there is another place where you can still see Essentials. So this is basically the pricing one here, the plans and pricing one here. So this is the one. Let's talk about it. Okay, so Simple Start, Essential, Plus, and Advanced. And the monthly fee on Simple Start is $25 a month, and Essential $50 a month, plus $80 a month, and Advance is $180 a month. Okay, so they have a teaser rate. They give you 3 month, you know, 3 months, $50, 3 months discount uh, on all four plans. But that one, if you want to get this 30-day free trials, you're not gonna get it. So it's better to do it buy now and save $50 for 30 months. So if you try it for 30 days and later on say, hey, I want my 50% for 3 months, that's not going to work. So you'll have to cancel it and subscribe all over again. Okay, so let's start with a simple start. So the simple start is right for you. Depends upon your business. Okay, so simple start, they give you one user. So it's basically one user, all just one user. If you have another associate, they can't log in. They can use the same user ID and log in, but it's basically for one person running the business. And the Essentials, you get three users, and the Plus plan, it's up to five users, and the Advanced one, it's more than five. It's up to 25, but subject it's a unique 25 users. Okay, so basically 1, 3, 5, and more than 5. Okay, so that's the basic difference, first difference, the users difference on these different plans. Okay, so the big question I get all the time is, hey, I use bank feeds a lot. Is bank feed downloads any different from plan to plan? The answer is no at this time. It will download the same way. You just need to categorize it. So download it, and then basically these different plans, it will add the additional features. For example, if you have plus plan or advanced plan and you want to do customer tracking, then you can make the customers feature on. Same thing with the project, the project, and make it billable and non-billable type. Okay, so that's the difference. The basic download from the bank, it's the same, no difference. Okay, so you only add different new features to QuickBooks, uh, and then you can do same thing with class tracking, location tracking, these two, Plus and Advanced. Okay, so as you can see from here, from track income invoices, income and expenses to manage 1099, it's pretty much identical all the way up here. Okay, so it's basically, it's a simple start, one person, and you just want to bank connect, download transaction, categorize, and figure out your income and expenses, and that's what the simple start will do, you know. And then you can create invoices and accept payments on all four, as you can see here. You know, accept payments means you basically use QuickBooks payments. They have QuickBooks. They have a merchant service, and you subscribe to that, and you create invoice, and then you also it will automatically accept. You can accept payments on those. You can match it, you know. And well, there's a maximum tax deduction. You can click it and see what you know what they're saying. Uh, and then run general reports. You can run the report. They have a in Simple Start. They have basic reports that you can run, like you know, the income statement, balance sheet, and some others small reports. That's about it. But basically, you need the other different customized reports available on Essential Plus and Advanced. Okay, and then capture and organize receipts. They're all the same, you know. Basically, you can upload the receipts, and then you can categorize those. Basically, recognize the receipt, you know, and then you can categorize it. So, and you have all the receipts in one place. So, you know, basically, you go to Costco and you have receipts. You don't know what to do with that receipt, right? Where are you going to put it? So, if you can upload it in QuickBooks and then ditch the sue box and save it to Snap. So then you can categorize from the receipts, and that one it's available on all four. And then track miles is a basic one, you know. It's a small one, so you can do track miles for your own purpose, business purpose. And the managed cash flow is basically a report one, you know. It will run a report. You can check all this, you know. You can figure out the 90 days plan, and this is a basic planning thing. And track sales tax. So if you create invoices and, you know, charge sales tax, uh, the QuickBooks will track sales and sales tax, you know, and then you can make the payment, uh, you know, whenever your tax sales tax are due, you know. And you can send estimates to your customers, same thing. And then you can manage 1099, same thing, you know, 1099, all four plans. So that's the simple start. And then on the Essentials, it's basically everything the same. You'll get three users in one company. You know, you have one company, and if you want to add one person doing invoicing and one person doing handling vendors, you know, and you are the sole owner, that's okay. So you get up to three users. So manage and pay bills is basically you're tracking your vendor bills, you know, setting up accounts payable. So on Simple Start, there's no accounts payable. Okay, so track time is the used to be TC, now it's QuickBooks Time. You know, you have to subscribe to this. Although the essentials, you know, in QuickBooks they have their own track time, but it's the basic one. But if you want more track time, then you can subscribe to QuickBooks Time, which is a separate subscription. Okay, and so that's essential one, and this one's essentials. They have more reports than Simple Start. And the plus one, everything the same up to 1099. And so this one is five users, and manage and pay, same thing, essential and plus. Track time, same, it's the same product. And on this one, if you are tracking inventory, this is the one you need. You know, if you're, you know, selling products, or if you know, or tracking inventories for whatever purpose, it's basically for selling products, you know. Buy product and sell the same product. It's not manufacturing type. It's basically buying product and selling the same product. That's tracking inventory. Same thing with the advanced version. And if you want to track projects, you know, you need plus or the Advanced. And this one, they have more reports than Essentials. Okay, and now coming back to the 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 big one, the Advanced one, so this is where they are adding all the new features, more new features here. They're adding to Advanced than the other plans. So you can look at it. You can just go and look at all this. So basically the 25 users, up to 25. So if you have a company and you have salespeople, or and different people, they need access to QuickBooks, then you need this Advanced. Plus, if you need all these features, like business analysis and insight, employee expenses, so the batch invoices. So it's basically you need to create invoices, or create vendor bills, vendor expenses, and you can do it like a batch in here. Just like a spreadsheet. This they have a spreadsheet type of template, and you can uh, do, it says create invoices 37% faster with batch invoicing. So if you're creating all kinds of lots of invoices, and you need some other features that goes with this, then you need to go with the Advanced one. It's $180 per month. Okay. And then customized access by role. So this one, is basically you have users and you want to give customized access to certain people. You can read it here. Certain permission, limited, permission, and you want to give, like for example, access by transactions such as deposits, sales, expenses, inventory, and blah blah blah, and just run this. You can give access just to run the reports. Like certain sales report, they want to see, uh, how much they sold to certain customers, certain clients. So it's basically customized access by role. So if you have, uh, let's say 200 people, or 100 people, and they need some access to QuickBooks Online, and you want to customize it. So this is where this is the plan you need. And so they have a app integration. So they have all kinds of new apps you can integrate with this Advanced version. And online training, okay. uh, Automate process and task. You can do some accounting tasks, you know like this is transaction with due date, like invoices, payments. You can do automate processes, in this new feature. And then restore company data. So this is a specific one. So if you want to restore company data, back up your data, it works on certain. It's not like saving your file on QuickBooks desktop, but it's liquid. It's something new feature that they have in QuickBooks. Okay, so, and they have always some other uh, services too, so it says QuickBooks setup. If you just want one-time help, you know, to set up the QuickBooks, and you can subscribe to this one. Okay, so that's the focus of this video. Hope it's helpful, and be sure to subscribe to our channel. Thank you. Bye.